Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're enjoying the summer and are going to travel a bit, because currently I'm home for a few days before I will leave for a girls trip to Italy. I can't wait to indulge in some Italian pasta and gelato and to dive into the beautiful landscape there. I will be gone for a week to an island and need to pack light since I will only be bringing my carry-on luggage. So I was thinking to film this video to share my travel capsule on how I pack for the hot girl summer looks with a classy touch. If you want to know which key pieces I'm going to bring and how to combine them, please keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, my name is Faye and I make videos about my love for handbags, fashion, beauty and my Scandinavian lifestyle. If you like any of these topics, please consider subscribing. Okay, as a start, I will briefly talk about the conditions of my trip. The temperature will be around 25 to 30 degrees with lots of sun during the day. We will do some sunbathing, but also walk around in the city quite a lot. So I will start with the basics, like socks and underwear for the 7 days. I think it is absolutely important to bring basics closest to your skin in comfortable materials, especially during those really hot days. You need materials that breathes. One of the most liberate thing I feel is to be able to skip bras completely, so the choices I made for this particular lookbook actually doesn't require wearing a bra. I will start with the pieces that I combine with the most of my outfit to the ones that I combine the least, starting with the tops. And first off is my black silk top with straps. It is so comfy and light and almost does not require any luggage space at all. It also looks so classy and matches well with so many skirts and shorts. For sweaty days, this is perfect as silk is cooler and more breathable than, for instance, cotton. My second most combined piece is my white linen top. You can use whichever white top you prefer, but this particular one I really enjoy since it's very breezy and matches with any color of bottom I would choose. The square neckline also makes it look more elegant and classy, while the back makes it more interesting with the corset details. Linen also wicks moisture away really effectively, which makes it a better choice in the heat. My third choice for top is something that I find will bring a bit of color. It should be something more eye-catchy and something that you would feel is adding something extra, that wavawoom. And I have a few favorites, like this green top with a lovely marine detail or the blue top boat neck top with buttons that has been so trendy this season. Finally, for top, I suggest a shirt that you can wear both as a top but also layer on top of the black and white tops. For me, I love my silk pyjama set from Totem as it looks so good and laid back. It can be worn separately with the silk pants combined with a black or white top, or the shirt combining a neutral or white bottom. This brown set is a seasonal color that I bought during the winter sale with the 40% off. I do believe that their seasonal color always go on sale. However, the white and black are the classic color that never go on sale. So if you want to invest, you should invest in those. And now let's go for some of my choices for bottom. First off, and our sixth piece of clothes so far, must be my longer silk skirts. You can use any satin silky looking skirt. Since I love a bit of color in the summer, I often choose pink, but depending on what color suits you and what you would like to wear, I would suggest that you choose it in a material that is somehow flowy and something that brings out your feminine energy to the fullest. Of course, you could also go with something more classic, like a black skirt, like this one from Victoria Chan. With the more flowy skirts, it matches well with the black or white tops. Okay, so now we're down on number 7. I love a good pair of white or light beige shorts with belt loops. These pair are from Swedish brand Dagmar and is made in linen and cotton. They are slightly high-waisted, which makes them ideal to put over a top if needed. And this also elongates the legs and makes the short people like me feel a bit taller. By putting on a thin leather belt, the whole look feels more put together and you get that expensive look. I also love layering a shirt on top for the more relaxed vacation look. The shorts can also be perfectly paired with the more colorful top. For instance, here I could combine with this trendy and very chic blue top. My next piece of bottom is a pair of well-tailored high-waisted white pants with belt loops. Same here, this could be elevated with a thin leather belt for a more elevated look, and with white pants you can match with any of the tops we picked so far. We're down on number 9, and this should be a dress that you feel comfortable to wear both as a day and evening dress. I have many favorites but this blue linen silk dress is a dress that I love to use. I custom made it with the material and all the details myself, and the inside lining of the dress is actually 100% silk, which makes it possible for me to wear it comfortably without the bra. The material breathes so nicely during hot days, and I just love using it. I also really adore this dress from Swedish brand Malina. It is a bit Zimmermann inspired and gives me so much Italian coastal vibes, and it is for sure works both as a day and night dress. Finally, my number 10 and last piece of clothing is a dress that makes you feel like a goddess and like $1 billion. It is for dancing through the nights or sipping on an Aperol Spritz or espresso martini somewhere in a nice bar or restaurant. And this black dress is made in silk and also custom made by me, and I just love the back of it and also the elegance, and it's a favorite that I often tend to use when I'm out. If you are going to swim on your vacation, as I am, of course you will need to bring a swimsuit or bikini. As an extra, I would then bring a beach dress like this one, but this also depends on how much you are going to spend hanging on the beach. For the chillier evenings and for the airplane, I always bring my large cashmere scarf. And this one from Totem is so useful and one of my absolute favorite accessories. This color blends perfectly with almost every single outfit I own and always looks so chic on. I usually have it in my office when I sit still for too long and feel the aircon getting a bit too intense. For shoes, I will only bring 3 pairs of shoes. I'm traveling with a pair of sneakers, as sneakers often takes the largest space in the luggage. I'm bringing 1 pair of flats, which will be my Chanel ballerinas as they go with everything, and 1 pair of heels for dressier occasions. These are my Hermes Oasis sandals, which are white, so they naturally go with everything. But you could also choose a pair of black or neutral shoes that you feel comfortable in. For bags, I will bring my raffia bag as a handbag in the airplane, as it is a bit bigger. In the raffia bag I can fit in a hat and a smaller handbag for evenings. And I recently enjoyed using my Hermes Constance to go, which works both as a larger wallet in the raffia bag as well as a clutch or with the strap on for dinners out. And you guys have seen it, I've shown it to you in my latest video, and I will link that one below. And one of the things that probably takes the most space in my luggage is my Dyson Airwrap. But hair just looks so amazing after I Dyson it, and for me, I just can't live without it, so I simply need to bring it with me. However, if I absolutely need to cut down on the hair tool and cannot fit my Dyson, I have just started using a hair cream that does magic on air-dried hair. This Air Dry Cream Cool Wine from R+Co is absolutely amazing. It gives my hair structure and enhances its natural waves, and it tames frizz and hydrates at the same time. I usually squeeze a little bit in a small container and bring it if I can't fit my hairstyling tools whenever I travel, and it works wonders. So highly recommend this one. Anyway, thanks a lot for hanging out with me, and I hope that you found this video helpful for your future vacations. And if you would like to see more, please consider subscribing, and I will see you again on my next video. Bye bye!